I make sun tea in small containers like this for two reasons. Number one, my refrigerator is too small to accommodate one of the big sun tea makers. And number two, I can just sort of grab and go. So what I do is I take a small container. This is one, this is like a little mayonnaise container. And then I just put one tea bag in. Dollar Tree tea bags are perfect for this because they are just cheap and one tea bag will do. I happen to have some of this Good Earth sweet and spicy, so I'll be using that today. I'm going to go ahead and fill this with water and put it out in the sun. Get the lid. And let's go. Here it is. It's going to hang out all day here with a quart jar of iced tea and some coconut oil that I'm trying to infuse with rosemary. So we'll check back in a couple hours, see where we're at. Here's the tea. End of the day, nicely brewed. Both are going in the refrigerator, but the little one's going with me to work tomorrow since I have a long day, and it'll be nice to have some iced tea in the middle of it. Anyway, hope you're keeping cool during these hot days, and thank you so much for watching.